In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification in your Gmail account step by step. This is useful if you want a simpler sign-in experience or if you're changing your security setup and need to manage your Google account settings properly. I'll walk you through the exact steps on screen so you can do it quickly and safely. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. This will take you directly to the Google account security page where you can manage important sign-in and recovery settings. Once the page loads, sign in with the Gmail or Google account where you want to turn off two-step verification. If you're already signed in, you may be taken straight to the security dashboard. Now look for the section called How You Sign In to Google. This is where Google keeps your password, sign-in options, passkeys, and two-step verification settings. Find two-step verification and click on it. Google may ask you to enter your password again to verify it's really you. If prompted, type in your password and continue. After that, you should see the option to turn off two-step verification. Click Turn off two-step verification. Google will likely show a warning message explaining that your account will be less secure without this extra layer of protection. Read the message carefully so you understand what changes you're making. If you still want to continue, click Confirm to complete the action. Once confirmed, two-step verification will be disabled for that Google account. That means future sign-ins will no longer require the second verification step, so make sure you're comfortable with that before turning it off. If you ever want to improve security again later, you can always go back to the same security page and turn it back on. And that's it. You've now turned off two-step verification in your Gmail account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Google account tips and tutorials.